Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a new image in Microsoft Paint in 2026. First, open Microsoft Paint on your Windows computer. You can do this by clicking the Start menu, typing Paint, and opening the app. Once Paint opens, click the File menu in the top left corner and select New. This will create a new blank canvas where you can start a fresh image. If a confirmation message appears asking you to save your previous work, choose Save if you want to keep it, or choose Do Save if you don't need it. Now you can start creating your new image. Use the Brushes tool to draw freely, or use the Shapes tool to add rectangles, circles, lines, arrows, and other shapes. To add text, click the Text tool, click anywhere on the canvas, and type your text. You can change the font, size, and color from the toolbar. You can also choose different colors from the Colors section, and use the Fill tool to add color to shapes or areas of your image. If you need a different canvas size, click Resize and enter the width and height you want. When your new image is finished, click File, then Save As, choose PNG or JPG, enter a file name, select a folder, and click Save. That's it. Now you know how to create a new image in Microsoft Paint in 2026. If this video helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.